What a roux is basically is whatever type of fat of your choice that you might want to use to like flavor your gumbo. It could be like a neutral tasting oil, like a vegetable oil. It could be butter. At our restaurant we use lard, bacon drippings that we can scrounge together because pork fat rules, and equal parts flour. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your pan nice and hot. This is about a little bit over a cup of each. You're going to add your lard or whatever fat you're using. Maybe just before it starts to like smoke, you don't want to get it smoking hot, you add your equal parts flour, and that's just plain all-purpose flour. And to start, just to get it nice and evenly mixed together, I'm going to use a whisk. Woo. I'm not afraid of the roux, I'm not afraid of the heat. I want to get to the color I want faster, so I'm using a higher flame. If that scares you, turn it down. The main thing you want to remember is don't be a total coward and stop your roux before it's dark enough. And when I get to this point, I don't know, I have issues with metal against metal. I prefer a wooden utensil, and I like this nice flat wooden spoon spatula thing because it scrapes the bottom really well. And you want to get all those brown bits up. You don't want them to burn because that would suck and it wouldn't taste good. We're about 20 minutes in. The roux is a light brown color. I'd say we have about another 20-25 minutes to get to the color that we want. My flame is medium low, and I'm here. I'm gonna take care of this for right now. You don't have to stir constantly, but you should not neglect. Here we are at the 45-minute mark. We've been over like a medium-low flame. I have adjusted the flame every once in a while so it doesn't get out of control. I'm happy with the color. It smells great. I purposely made more than I normally would use because I love the satisfaction of knowing that I have a really good roux somewhere at my disposal at any given moment. That's just me. I have roux at home right now. If I go home and I want to make a gumbo or a gravy or whatever, it's there. I don't have to spend 40 minutes every time I want to make something.